Hi everyone, Deb here. So last week, and I don't remember which day it was, I went to Dollar Tree. I actually went in specifically to look for some cards, believe it or not. Birthday cards for my son and my granddaughter. Don't tell them. Anyway, that's what I went for. I did get them. I don't have them here. I won't share them online because, they're a surprise. So I'll show you a few non-crafty things first, and I did get some Christmas paper plates too, but I didn't bring them up. I got this for me, not for coffee, just to hold cold drink up here in my um, craft room because we a while back had a case of these and we're down to like 4 or 5, and I really don't like buying um, plastic bottles anyway. As much as I can avoid it, I want to. I know this is plastic too. It doesn't even say, it says hand wash only, which is fine because I'm just going to use it for water. And, it's not a great one, but it's okay for the whole winter season. So warm winter wishes. And I like blue, I do. So that is going to be for me for water for up here to drink because I get thirsty. I also bought tissues for up here because I usually buy the larger boxes for downstairs, but I don't have room for that up here, but I'm always needing my tissues. And right now I'm down to this and I'm almost out of those little travel packs. So yeah, that's for me. And then I got this for me to try cuticle balm because look at my nails. They all broke. Oh, this one's tearing, splitting even more. Look at that. And my cuticles are a mess and everything on my hands feels like sandpaper. I've been putting lotion on every day, two or three times a day. But I really thought maybe this would help. And I don't like the oil because it just feels oily. But maybe this is like looks like a lipstick, but it's a cuticle balm, which I can't even open because I have no nails. Cuticle oil balm. Jeez. Has anybody tried this before? Let me know. Let me know if you've tried it. It's by Pure. Sorry. $1.25. I guess you just go like that, rub it in. Works the same as, I guess, as, because it's oily. It is oily. Anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, and I can sit this down. It says infused with shea butter, jojoba oil, however you say that, coconut oil, and vitamin E. So that's good. Manufactured by 4 Star Group USA Inc., Akron, Ohio, made in China. Of course. Anyway, that's going to go down next to my computer table downstairs. And then the rest of this is sort of crafty stuff, and I don't know. Oh, I do have the cards in here. Well, I'm not going to share them. Oops. So first thing is I went over and looked at the coloring books, and I actually got one. I got this really cute Disney Animal Friends one for $1.25, and because I think it's really kind of cool. It's not super hard, but it's not bold and easy. Well, some of them are bold and easy. It's a kid coloring book, but I like it. 2019. It's 2019 copyright on every page. I'm looking for, oh, Bambi. Aww. Where's Thumper? We nicknamed my son Thumper when he was a child. Yeah. Bambi. Okay, so they have them sections. Dumbo. I always felt sad for Dumbo till he could fly or whatever. Wow, they have a lot of Dumbo ones in here. Oh, and then we have, I guess, 101 Dalmatians. Cute. That was actually, oh yeah. So they're in sections. They don't have like a table of contents. What's this one? Aristocats? Yeah, Aristocats. That was not when I was little either. Yeah, Aristocats. What's right before that? Bambi. Yeah. Does it end on Aristocats? Let's see. Nope. Lion King. Mufasa. Simba. Mufasa and Simba. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's fun. That's just something fun. And that stays up here. And then I went and looked at stickers, and this is what I got. I, for some reason, was drawn to sea themes. So I got rub-ons in shells and other sea creatures. So I think I'm seeing a summary sea creature-ish junk journal, maybe. Stickers. Oh, I got this for something else. Home and family. I'm trying to remember what. Oh, I know what I got it for. I got this for a project. So let me put that aside. But these, and that was like my last. I had 2 or 3 choices, but that won over the other ones. These are dimensional and pop up and glittery. I don't know if you can see it in the wrappers. And then I found these. Look at all these. This one's not colored, but there are 6 pieces in each, so 2 of each design. These are already painted. These I can paint with my acrylic paints, which work really well on these. And I might do something like they did with the various colors, right? So we have shells, a sea turtle or tortoise, whatever, a fish, a dolphin, a seahorse, a starfish, a mermaid, and then in the uncolored, another dolphin, a penguin, and a whale. So I thought that would be fun for sea creature summary projects. So I won't be using them for a while, but stay tuned. Maybe we'll do something like that on one of my lives next year, or 2 of my lives, or whatever, a whole month's worth of my lives. I don't know. That's it, guys. That's all I got. Other than some Christmassy paper plates, which I shouldn't have even bought because I have plates, and I don't think we'll be having a Christmas meal here. Maybe. I don't know. My son has to check with his dad. We usually go to my daughter's for Christmas breakfast and exchange gifts there. And then I usually come home and he usually goes to his dad's and spends time there and has Christmas dinner there. So we might save and do our Christmas dinner on Saturday, the 28th, or have it earlier, maybe on the first day of winter, the 21st. That would be an idea. So, yeah. Anyway, what are you doing for Christmas? If you celebrate Christmas, let me know in the comments. Okay? And I hope you have a wonderful week. And have you gotten anything at Dollar Tree lately? Like I said in my planner video, I need to go back. I need 2 wall calendars. I got one free at a sort of a local store, but it's actually local where my brother lives, not where I live. And I haven't been up there for a while. And I don't know if they have them this year either. But I just thought I'd get 2 cheap Dollar Tree ones to hang on my wall here and in my kitchen that my son and I both can write in. Because I didn't get any in the mail this year. All right, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful week. I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.